Welcome to our video series, where we're all about helping maintenance and reliability teams thrive. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we're exploring the crucial world of engineering change orders, or ECOs, and engineering change notices, or ECNs. These documents are the engine that drives product adaptations or corrections during its lifecycle. They're key players in engineering and product development. We're going to take you through the 7-step change process, discuss who creates these orders, and the types of changes that necessitate ECOs. We'll also address bottlenecks in the ECN ECO process and how to manage them. So stick around. You're about to get a deep insight into the fluid world of manufacturing change management. Let's dive into the world of engineering change orders and engineering change notices. These are crucial documents that kickstart the process of making adaptations or corrections during a product's life cycle, playing a pivotal role in engineering and product development. You know, they say the only thing constant is change, and this couldn't be more true for the manufacturing process. Equipment, standards, and procedures, although well-planned, are not set in stone. As machines and electrical components evolve and standards and procedures improve, organizations can actually benefit more from adapting to change rather than resisting it. So, how does this change process work? Well, it generally requires 3 types of documents: a request, an order, and a notification. Let's break it down into 7 steps. First, we identify the problem and its scope. This involves recognizing an issue that needs to undergo change and defining the extent of that change. Next, we create an engineering change request, or ECR. This document goes into detail about the proposed change and prepares stakeholders to make a decision on whether to proceed or not. The third step is to review and approve the ECR. This involves sending the ECR to a committee that makes the go or no-go decision. Once the ECR has been reviewed and approved, we move on to creating an engineering change order, or ECO. Think of the ECO as the handbook to implement the changes. The ECO then goes through another round of review and approval. After the stakeholders have provided their endorsement, senior management can finally sign off the overall approval. With the ECO reviewed and approved, an engineering change notice, or ECN, is sent out to all relevant groups. The ECN provides details of the change approval and steps that will shortly need to take place. Finally, we implement the required change. Each team is given their specific roles and responsibilities to implement the required changes guided by the ECO and ECN. So who creates these engineering change orders? Well, anyone who identifies required changes to cataloged materials and has access to the system can raise an ECO. The review and approval process, however, is usually performed by a different individual for a more impartial check and balance system. Now let's talk about some types of changes that require ECOs. These could include typographical changes, sourcing from alternative manufacturers, replacing obsolete components and making design changes, or introducing new models. But what happens when there's a bottleneck in the ECN ECO process? This can cause delays and can be identified by signs such as redundant information flows, disorganized ECO information, poor accountability of ECO tasks, delayed resolution due to unnecessary coordination, and inefficient handling of paper documents. To manage ECOs effectively, we need to follow 4 principles: avoid unnecessary changes, reduce the impact of change, detect ECOs early, and speed up the ECO process. Automation can also play a big role in helping the ECN ECO process. It can address issues related to communication between stakeholders, visibility of progress, availability of information, and accuracy of the data. In conclusion, change management processes are essential tools for an organization to keep working in top condition. Technological tools are readily available to ease the burden of what used to be a purely manual approach. We've explored the world of ECOs and ECNs and the critical role they play in product development and engineering. Remember, change is the only constant, and managing it effectively is key to success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.